Well, good afternoon, folks. The time has come to sell the John Deere 425. It's been a good one. I've gotten a lot of good use out of it, had a lot of fun with it, but it's time to move on. It's time to get it to a new and a better home. This thing's been a beast. 60-inch commercial deck. I've loved it. Along with all the accessories, it went to a new home today. All of this fit on the one trailer.
Yeah,
listen to that thing. Purrs like a kitten. Nothing runs like a deer. So that pretty much finishes a chapter of the Bloodhound and the John Deere. I've had a lot of fun, enjoyed it. Time for a new chapter. I've heard from the owner of Rocky, tells me he's doing good, liking his new friend and his new surroundings, so he's in a good place. The John Deere went to a good place. It's time for us to box this place up and head out. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate Channel. Good day.
Hello.